Are you looking to sell your home but uncertain of the market? Hey, this is Jason DeLong with Heartland Homes KC and eXp Realty, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of selling your home with our guaranteed offer program. At Heartland Homes KC, we understand that selling your home can be a stressful and time-consuming process. That's why we offer a guaranteed offer program. We make sure that you get the most for your property, and we make the selling process less stressful for you. With a guaranteed offer, you don't have to worry about staging your home, doing last-minute repairs, dealing with multiple offers, inspections, or appraisals. We'll take care of all the paperwork and handle the negotiations for you. We also provide an online toolkit to help you prepare for the sale. Plus, you get a guarantee of the closing date, so you know exactly when you'll receive your money. And you can rest assured that we are experienced professionals who will work hard to ensure you get the best possible deal. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to sell your home, Heartland Homes KC is a perfect option for you. Contact us today and let us help you get the most out of your sale.